Right, folks, Mike here as always. Today, repetition makes perfection, but today I'm gonna talk a little about listening to music, why I don't fall for this, habit anymore. It's the same like watching news, it influences you in a bad way. If you're listening to a rapper boasting about his life, about his success, etc., what does it give you? Nothing, right? You're just wasting your mental capacity. That's what is happening. I'm thinking about training neck today and something additional, maybe traps. Neck and traps sounds good. So yeah, another three. Let it. Two and the last one. Shit, this one was dirty. Nice. Negative. I'm gonna continue in the original thought, which is listening to music. I don't listen to music anymore. I mean, music with lyrics, music with where somebody is singing. I'm listening now only to instrumentals or podcasts to save my mental capacity. Keep in mind your energy in a day is limited, plus your mental capacity is limited as well. So by listening to something whilst you drive in a car, you're wasting it. For what? For nothing. There are no benefits of listening to modern music. There's some guys rapping about how good he is, how many women does he fuck. And you're listening to that, I go like, yeah. It's weird, buddy. It is. So this is my honest opinion. Of course, you have your own opinion on this, but this one is mine. So that's why I don't listen to anything, especially modern music, which is pretty degenerate. You are literally programming your mind by listening to these words. It's unconscious. So the next time you will listen to music, think about this. Think about these consequences. This one was dirty again, so I'm gonna pump it up a little. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Ooh. What I like to start with, before I go with weight on my neck, I like to start with a short warm-up, just to make sure that I won't hurt myself, because neck injuries are pretty serious. It's not a joke. If you're just starting, don't be afraid to drop all the way down. Don't be afraid to start with just simple body weight. Because if you have never ever trained neck before, it's gonna hurt. So, during these exercises, I like to follow natural movement. So I go just like for this. Be careful, right? As I said, make sure to prevent every preve- make sure to prevent possible injuries. Then I go from side to side, just like this. It's enough. Grip a weight. I roll a towel round it, round grip. Then I put it on my forehead and go for a movement. I usually aim for 15 reps, 2 sets, each exercise. I have 7 kilogram dumbbell. I'm thinking about dropping weight on just 5 kilograms or even 2 kilograms. So let's go for 5. Don't be afraid to drop weight. It's absolutely okay. We're not here to flex in front of other guys. How much weight can you weight? Can you lift? It's not why you are here to build a physique, to work on yourself, not to flex in front of others. That's at least my mindset when I'm in gym. That's not the purpose behind it. So 5 kilograms. And again, no weight. And 15. Oh shit. I can feel it. It's my legs is absolutely burning. It's good. Let's go for the opposite movement. Front side is done. Now the other side. Lie on your chest, just like this. Microphone is here, right here. I'm gonna go for just the opposite movement. So grab a weight, go for it. Just like this. Right. Okay. First set is done. Now the second. Then I'm gonna go for the last exercise. Only 3 exercises to grow huge neck. And to make it even better, you can add some exercises for traps. It's gonna give you this huge look, this muscular appearance when your traps and neck are, wide, huge. It creates an illusion. That's what I mean. It creates an illusion of being much bigger than you actually are. Just think about it. Have you ever seen that guy who is like huge? His body is huge, but his neck is like skinny. It it looks weird, right? That's at least why do I train him, because I was that guy. No sides. Again, 15 repetitions. 15. Now the other side. Give it a nice stretch. 15. Now the second set. And we're done. We're fucking done. I'm gonna hit traps. That's it for today because gym is gonna be already closing in 30 minutes. Another reason why it's a good thing to train neck is that if someone would beat the hell out of you, or if you would experience a car accident, there is a higher probability of you surviving it without consequences, because neck muscles are eliminating these vibrations. That's why do boxers train their necks to prevent brain injury. Done. Leg is down. Now traps. The last exercise. We're gonna hit only upper traps right here. I go for till failure or just for 20 reps, 3 sets, 3 or 2 sets, depends. Twenty reps. Now, next set I'm gonna go till failure. In the first set, 20 reps or till failure also. As I always say, it depends on energy. I'm gonna give you another point of view so you can see it from the front side. How does this exercise look? So grab a weight and just go for this movement. So this one was still failure. Now the last set and I have to get out of here. It's like that. Balíš? Taky poslední serka.
Jo? Co uvidíme na ještě?
Asi jo, kámo. Hodím 15 stopáček a budu tam. So that last set. This is 10. 5 more. Five more. Let's go for it. Last ones were dirty. Yeah, they are closing. To get out of here. It's time to wrap up the vlog. So, hope this one was helpful. These thoughts I shared today. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. By the way, top link in the description. My life, my vision. Brotherhood, a self-improvement community where you can share your inside, where I share my inside on a much deeper level. If you're interested, go and check it out. And as always, better yourself and stay true to who you are, because it's what matters the most.